Well, our guy, Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins, getting us together as we inch closer to the weekend.
That's right, and we do have a weather alert for rain and some other issues coming up.
It's inconvenient weather.
Right.
It's not severe weather, so it's kind of on the low side as far as the weather impact alerts go. But tomorrow afternoon, similar to what we saw today, and it does include, I think, the first half of the evening commute. We'll get passing showers and storms. The breezes will stay up, obviously, with the bridges. You have to watch that. And I think we do it again on Saturday. Saturday, right now, we're thinking it's a little bit better coverage. But some of the latest model data is coming in as a little less than that. And this is really what's part of it right here. All right, it's only a 10% chance for development. It's wild to see it right over top of Florida, but don't worry about that one. All right, we're not really concerned with it. This one's a 20% chance of development in the extended, and it's this right here that will get into here and try and develop. And a lot of the models kind of take it towards Puerto Rico and try and recurve it, maybe even east of Puerto Rico. But that's the middle to the end of next week, okay? So we don't need to worry about that one. Let's talk about this one. 10% chance that some of this moisture either goes off towards the west, or what a lot of the models are saying is that it comes off to the north and the west and enhances our afternoon showers. And that's what we're kind of thinking here. So here's the big picture. This is the European model. This one says that generally it kind of gets weak and it comes westerly. And usually the European model is pretty good. But see, it's got it right here. And this is by the time we get towards Saturday at 6. So that's going to help to throw some moisture our way either way, okay? But then this one actually takes a weak low across the Gulf and perhaps towards Texas. It just doesn't do much with it. Now, the GFS model and our model at home says there's a weak low by the time we get towards Friday, tomorrow evening this time. There it is by Saturday. All right, that's our extra rain chance that we think. And then there it is, kind of somewhere in here, by Sunday. We actually have a little bit of a dry little window right there on Sunday. So that's kind of what we're thinking. Now, outside now, you've seen that we had passing showers today, but it's been nice with that breeze. I was talking yesterday how nice it's going to feel with the breeze. Mid-80s, low to mid-80s, in fact, some spots. So it's comfortable outside, especially with the breeze. Most of that rain is gone. Hardy, Highlands, DeSoto County, about the same chance for showers. That's about it. We have a few left over here for Hernando and Pasco, but that's about falling apart. So here's the model for tonight. That's around 7, 8 o'clock. Most of the rain's over. Can't rule out a stray shower, especially through Citrus, Hernando overnight tonight, but most areas stay dry. Tomorrow around 1 o'clock, here we go. So our weather impact alerts from 1 to 7. You see these quick moving showers, couple of thunderstorms in the mix, not a lot, but that's 4 o'clock. That's 7 o'clock, and after that, it tends to fall apart. Most of the rain will be over on the East Coast. A lot of it falls apart, especially as it gets towards here in the evening. Now, as we get through Saturday, that's the morning, that's 1 o'clock. Same deal. More showers coming across. I just think we'll see a little bit more rain for Saturday, so we're going to keep an eye on it for you. No severe weather is expected, but it's going to be breezy all the way through. 40% rain chance Friday, 50% on Saturday. For Tampa, it's actually a little less on Sunday. Most of the rain is up to our north, but that does include Citrus County. Monday and Tuesday, we'll go about 30 to 40% chance for rain. Now, winds. Here's where we are now. Gusting to 28 in Winter Haven, 21 in Clearwater, 30-mile-per-hour gusts last hour in Sarasota. Here's the forecast for tonight. Breezy. This is 11 o'clock. Gusts in the teens tomorrow morning, 10-mile-per-hour winds. Tomorrow afternoon, gusts in the upper 20s to near 30 again. Tomorrow night, we stay breezy. Saturday morning into the afternoon. Look at Saturday afternoon. Gusts in the upper 20s to near 30 yet again. But by the time we get towards Sunday morning, winds go calm. The breeze will go up to our north, so the winds will be coming down. I say enjoy those winds, the breezes, because it will feel good. But watch the skyway, watch those large profile vehicles across any of the bridges. I felt it last night on the Bayside Bridge, and that was before the winds really picked up. So it's going to be breezy through Saturday.